Is it recording already?
Yes.
Oh. Hey there makeup freaks, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a purple halo eyeshadow using the JUVIA'S palette. Let's go ahead and get started.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
As usual, you guys can see that I already have my eyebrows done. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by priming my eyes, and I'm going to use the Anastasia Pro Pencil Eyeshadow Primer and Color Corrector. And this is going to give it an even canvas color so we can lay our eyeshadow on. Now that we laid our primer down, we're going to go ahead and reach into our JUVIA'S palette, and we're going to start off with our transition color. We're going to use this light pink color, and we are going to use the Sigma E33 to apply it. For blending brush, we're going to use the Morphe M330. Don't forget, blend, blend, blend. For this next step, we're going to just add color to the inner part of our lid and our outer part. So we're going to leave the middle part to make that halo effect. And we're going to come in with this purple color. And we're going to use the Sigma E42 brush to do this step. We're going to start in the inner corner. And now our outer corner. Note how I left the middle blank. Now we're going to come in and blend it in. It's okay if it gets a little bit in the middle. We're going to come in with the concealer and conceal that part. Okay, for this step, now we're going to come in with our concealer, and we're going to use the e.l.f. 16 Camel Concealer. What? I can't talk. We're going to come in with our e.l.f. 16 Hour Camel Concealer, and I'm using color Light Peach, and we're just going to add the concealer where there is no eyeshadow. With this flat concealer brush from Morphe, I'm going to go ahead and blend it in. We're gonna go ahead and make it rounded out, give it more of that halo effect. We're gonna dip into our setting powder and add a little bit. And I'm using the brush that I used to apply our transition color. Now we're gonna come in with this shimmery purple color, and we're going to go ahead and use our finger and apply it to the area where we have the concealer. Now we're gonna add a little bit more color on the sides. Now this shimmery color I'm gonna lay on top of the halo area, which is the light purple color. We're gonna grab our eyeliner, and this one is from Sigma, and this is the long wear eyeliner, and we're just gonna put some on our lash line. And don't forget your waterline. Okay, I just grabbed my Soft Glam from Anastasia, and I'm just gonna use the Tempest color, which is the white color, and I'm gonna use it on my brow bone. And I'm going to use this BH Cosmetic 132 brush to apply it. All right, now we're gonna use our Voluminous Lash Paradise to add on to our top lash. Make those lashes long and luscious. All right, let's give a quick pause and talk about this mascara. I love this mascara, but after I guess a month, it starts drying out. So I guess that's kind of a downer about it. But when you first use it, it's so pretty. Your lashes are just like, you know what I mean? Now let's go ahead and put some lashes on. We are going to be using the Luxe lashes, and we are using style Baby Doll. baby doll. And we're going to be using the Duo Adhesive. What do you think? Do you think that made me look like baby doll?
Yeah,
okay.
Boy.
Let's fast forward our second eye. Boom, they're done. Let's move on to the next step. So we're gonna go ahead and prime, and foundation, concealer, bronzer, setting powder. Not all in that order, but you know what I mean. So we're gonna go ahead and start off by misting our face, and we're going to be using the NYX Bear With Me primer and setting spray. Now we're gonna come in with our Professional Poreless Primer. Go ahead and get a little on our fingers. Our lucky winner for our foundation today is going to be the Maybelline Fit Me, and this one is in shade 125 Nude Beige. And we're gonna use our oil from Farsàli. I'm sorry if I messed this up, guys. Now we're gonna come in with our e.l.f. concealer, and we're gonna conceal all the desired areas like your under eye, nose, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow, and chin. With our beauty sponge, we're gonna dip into our setting powder, which this is from Fenty Beauty, and this is in the shade Butter. And we're gonna press the powder into our skin underneath our eye. Okay, now let's go ahead and finish the under eye color, and we're gonna follow the same pattern. So inner corner and outer corner, we're gonna do the purplish color, and then in the middle, we're gonna still do the same halo effect, and we're gonna use the two colors we use on the middle. Now we're gonna come in with our Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder, and this is in shade 130, and this is buff beige. And we're gonna go ahead and set the rest of our face, and we're gonna use this BH Cosmetic round brush to apply it. Now we're gonna come in and bronze our face, and we're gonna use the Milani, and this is the Sun Kiss color. And we're gonna go ahead and use our Angle BH Cosmetic brush to apply it. Remember to do the fishy face, so that way you can see where your bone structure is, so you can give yourself that high bone cheek, to give yourself the illusion of a high bone structure. We're gonna dip into our Queen palette from Juvia, and we're going to use the Sister to Sister for our blush, and we're gonna use the Tarte brush to apply it with. Now let's go ahead and blend it out with our BH Cosmetic round brush. Before we add our highlight, we're gonna go ahead and put our eyeliner on our waterline and our mascara on our bottom lash. For our highlighter, let's dip back into the Queen palette from Juvia, and we're going to go into the FDV Approval color, which is this goldish color, and we're gonna use our Tarte highlighter brush to apply it. I'm gonna add some of the highlighter onto my inner corner. I'm gonna use this flat Murphy brush to apply it. I'm also gonna add some to my brow bone, and I'm also gonna go ahead and add some to the bottom so it could give it more of that halo effect, because I don't feel that it's coming out as much. Let's give it one last good blend. Now let's move on to lip liner, where we're going to use the Juvia So Rare lip liner. Our lip liner is from Lancome, and this is the Natural Beauty. Now let's choose a lip gloss. And this is the NYX Diamond and Ice collection. Which one should we pick? Go a little bit. Let's go with this darker nude color. And this one is Pore. God, these smell good. Oh, it smells like candy. Makes me want to eat it. Let's finish off with our setting spray from NYX, and this is Bear With Me. And that is how I completed this purple halo eyeshadow. If you guys didn't notice, I've been using a lot of the Juvia's Place cosmetics. I'm literally in love with it. Love, 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 love. If you haven't tried it, go ahead and try it out for yourselves. Let me know what you think. Also, it's a Black owned cosmetic line, so go support your Black businesses. Be sure to check those out. Let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Be sure to share it with your friends. If you're new to my channel, be sure to hit that If you're new to my channel, be sure to go ahead and subscribe. And if you did, go ahead and leave me a comment down below letting me know that you did subscribe. I do post up every Wednesday and Saturday. Be sure to follow me on my social media platforms. I will leave it down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know. I love you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.